Hey, what's up? Come on in. What's up?
How you doing?
Welcome to this week's vlog. This is Dave.
What's up?
What's up, guys? Welcome to this week's vlog. We are Hoek Home, a sustainable flat pack furniture brand based in Brooklyn, New York. If you haven't seen any of our vlogs before, make sure you go back to the first one and check it out. We've been documenting our progress throughout 2021. So this week we have pretty much finished up with the fabrication and the fulfillment of the US orders, and we're now down to the smaller batch of the international orders, which we're going to ship out next week. So check out the rest of the video. We're going to show how we're fabricating and packing everything up, and thanks for watching.
All right, welcome back to another episode of Tiny Mike. I am your host and co-founder of Hoek Home, Brian Chu.
My name is Conor Coughlin.
So we wanted to start off by saying thank you to all our Kickstarter supporters for being early adopters and allowing us to bring Hoek Home to life.
Bring it home.
Bring it home, baby.
So yeah, this week has been a pretty big week for us. We've completed all the US orders, which is like a big milestone. We have the majority of the international orders ready to ship out and packed, so we're gonna get them out next week. Yeah, so it really means a lot to Brian and I and the team here that people have, gone out on a limb and backed us, because it's given a small company like us an opportunity to have the capital and to produce something that we think has a huge potential in the furniture industry. We got very excited at the start of the pandemic. We're developing this product, and I think it's really kind of turned into something special with the help of everyone's support. So we have to thank everybody a lot for that. So a lot of the backers have been receiving their products recently, and to our surprise, some of them were actually unaware that this is recycled plastic milk jug. I mean, that was like very important for us early on, was to create something that was sustainable. And so by using this 100% post-consumer recycled plastic, we're taking material that would otherwise be going to landfill and giving it another life. That's something that we want the brand to embody going forward. The other thing is the joint system that we've come up with.
Yeah, so I think the joint system that allows you to assemble the table within seconds with no tools or hardware was a pretty big deal for us. Yeah, so we're super excited about the click system that we've developed, and we're looking forward to designing new pieces in the future to bring something new to everybody. One of the things that we're kind of working on right now is some shelving systems. This is my symbol for shelving systems, by the way. Some shelving systems, and we're looking at some other products as well, so we're pretty excited about that. But everything that we design will incorporate the click system as well as the post-consumer recycled material.
And then I think what's really exciting about this system is that for people with smaller spaces, which is a large portion of metropolitan area, or people living in metropolitan areas, this type of furniture can transform your space. It adds to your space. So by having one of these pieces, you can live in a 800 square foot apartment, but in reality you can transform it into multiple uses. So you're in a sense extending your square footage of your apartment. So it brings that to somebody's home, which we think is like a really exciting proposition for the product. So if you are a backer, thank you for backing us. If you know people who would like this furniture, tell your friends and family about it. because we're trying to, you know, grow this company through 2021, and we can only do it with your support. So thanks to everyone for helping us out so far, and let's continue to spread the word.
Woo! All right, so that's it for this week's vlog. We hope you enjoyed the episode. We're almost done shipping out all the US orders as well as the European orders. We want to thank our Kickstarter backers once again, because we really appreciate being early adopters for our flat pack sustainable furniture. We hope you enjoy your piece. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below, and hit the bell notification. If you want to see more content like this, we post every Sunday. If you were one of the original Kickstarter backers, another way to show your support is to share it with, don't share the actual thing, but maybe share Hook with your friends and family and those who think would enjoy flat pack sustainable furniture. Now watch me hit this shot. Woo! That was a hole-in-one, baby.